Hey, it's Katelyn O'Friel and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I typically post DIYs, home decor, and vintage themed videos. But today I'll be doing something a little bit different. Now, I don't know if my phone just knows the algorithm of my heart, but I have been seeing Christmas in July ads non-stop, pretty much all month, but especially in the past 2 weeks. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Google, you name it. Christmas in July has been flooding my feed. And being that we're still in the midst of a pandemic, I know I could definitely use a little bit of joy, cheer, and some jolly good feelings. So I really hope you enjoy this montage of Christmas decorating, cookie baking, and a really simple and easy DIY. If you'd like to do this DIY, all you'll need are some candy canes, ribbon, bows, some decorative pieces, as well as a glue gun, glue sticks, and tape. Arrange your candy canes in the form of a heart. And do the same thing all around until you kind of create a wreath. Make sure you have something to put down underneath. That way you don't mess up your craft area, just in case some glue spills or something like that may happen. I'm using a piece of cardboard as well as a clear mat. I don't know if you could see it, but it is there. All you have to do is glue the candy canes together. Just be careful with the hot glue because it can melt the candy cane. So I would just use a very small amount of glue on each side of the candy cane and simply put them together. I'm using some tape here just to secure it so that it's safe and won't fall apart. Now I'm just adding this bow and a little Merry Christmas ornament. You can get creative here and add whatever you'd like. And then I'm tying some ribbon to the candy canes so that it's easier for me to hang up. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed this little bit of Christmas. Editing this video got me in such the holiday spirit and just really lifted my mood. I cannot wait for the holidays. Fall is just around the corner and I cannot wait to start doing DIYs and pumping out some really fun and creative videos. If that's something that you might be into, be sure to subscribe and send a little cheer my way in the comment section about what holidays are your favorites and what holiday are you looking most forward to after all this pandemic ends?